Now, just like the other faucet, this faucet works on the same principles, but yet it has a little difference to it as far as not being able to cut the water off, or having a leak, or why water won't come on at all. This works on the same principle, and I'm going to show you just how this works. Okay, this doesn't necessarily work as the other one as far as the washers are concerned. Let's get a little closer look and let's take it apart and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, let's start with this hot side here. Let's take that one off. Once again, just like the other one, first thing we want to do is make sure that the water is off up underneath. Okay, I'm turning that off right now. Okay, good. We have it off. Okay. Now, first of all, let's take the handle apart. Take it off there, rather. Okay. Already you can see that the stem on this one is kind of different. Now, this particular one has a packing nut right here. Let's get the packing nut off. We'll use our pliers. Okay, loosen it. This packing nut also holds the stem in place. Okay, got that off. Now the only thing left to do is to pull the stem up. Slowly pull it up and out of there. You see it has an O-ring right here. Okay. These stems are very easy to remove and replace. You can find them just about any hardware store. Okay, it's just a plastic cartridge. Just pull out. If you need to replace it, just take it, match it up, come back and put it back in. Okay, also, this is not the only thing that would go wrong with this particular faucet. It also has a little small washer inside, which is up under the washer. There's a spring that pushes the washer up and holds it in place. Let me see if I can give you a better view so we can get down in there and see and pull that washer out and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, now you have a closer view. Now let's look down into the body of the valve and see if we can see that washer. Okay, let's get a flashlight on here. Okay, if you look real close, you can see the round washer there. One way to remove it is take your screwdriver. You notice the washer has a hole right there in the middle. You can just take the screwdriver and just, you can't see it now, but run it right down the middle there. And move my hand here so you can see it. Okay. Okay, we got the screwdriver down there. See how the washer just pulls right up out of there? Okay, and there's the spring. Okay, that's just to show you. Now, this is what the washer looks like. And once again, you can buy these in assortments. This is a good washer because this is a new faucet. So we're not going to replace it. And here's the spring. The spring can get difficult to get out sometimes, so let me get the screwdriver again. Okay. Spring went back down in there. Okay, let's pull that spring up out of there. Okay, we got the spring out. And this is what the spring looks like. And in most cases, when you do buy the washers, the springs come with them. The replacement springs and washers come with it. Okay. Now this is how this one works. Now if you have a faucet, just like the other one, you have one and you're not getting any water at all coming out, okay, you could have something stuck down in here. Okay, you can't see it now, but it may be in supply house, down to the supply line. What I usually like to do, let me show you what I like to do. Okay, I like to take a regular coat hanger like this one, particular one here. You can't see me right now. What I'm doing is taking the hanger apart to where I can work with it. Okay. Okay. I've broken the end off of it, as you can see here. Now, I can take the hanger, get the flashlight back on again. Okay. And the hanger go right down the middle of the center there. Okay? That's what we're going to do. Okay, now if there's anything obstructing the traffic of flow of water coming through here, we may be able to get it out by just feeding the hanger down in there as far as we can feed it. Sometimes what I like to do is do it while the water is on, especially if there's nothing coming out at all. At the same time, hold my hand over it, or a rag, feed the wire down in there, and then whenever I go through anything that is holding the water back, the water will start shooting out. At least I'll be able to catch with my hand on any rag that I might have over the faucet. And this is a good way of getting the water to flow again. And there's also one other way. I'll show you that in a minute. What we're going to do right now is put this piece back together. Okay? And let me show you, it slides in there fairly easy once you put it on the end of the screwdriver, like so. Okay? And all you do is just take the screwdriver, one hand holding the spring and stuff, and line up with that hole, and it should go right just about in place. Okay? Let's get the flashlight and see how far we got it. Okay, let's do this again.